And this is the service elevator at the
Hi,
park.
kind. I love
Why, thank you.
Goodbye.
Over to the basement.
Oh, this elevator has a different door.
It was slow between two floors. The first floor, this was also an old Otis and was modernized also with Innovation Universal, but this one looks like a newer mod, has a newer button than what I use. Any day. Indicator's a bit glitchy. There we go. Quick start. Interesting. I guess we can look at the indicator too, the indicator keeps glitching. Of course it's not gonna glitch now. Up there it glitched. I'm not sure if you saw that. Here, 22. Back down to 1. Camera is open. Fan is on high, but it's not actually on. Light is off. Light is back on. Independent emergency light, which is very bright. It's a basic old Otis elevator with a tall ladder space in the back. This might have still been hand operated up until this mod. Oh well. That's a tasteful mod. This is speed. The certificate says this goes 200 feet a minute. This feels faster. This feels more like 350. Passenger one said 350. This might have been more recent mod. It might have gone 200 before and they increased it during the mod. Back at 1. There's our Sam. This inner gate and the first one door closed, but all the other doors.
It's got a broken part on it.
Yeah. Does that move?
I think that's, yeah, that's like one of these bits that part folds up.
Yeah, you can close it.